Good morning. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Jitu, and today's video is about fridge deep cleaning. It is overdue for almost an year. I was faithfully cleaning it, but there were nooks and corners that needed really deep cleaning. So I decided to do it before the next pickup of groceries. I tried to wipe out with some soapy water, but there was still food sticking onto the glass shelf. So finally, ended up taking it out and scrub it properly to clean it. So all the three shelves were taken out and scrubbed properly and washed properly and dried off before I put it back. Hi, if you don't know me, I am a working mother. I'm originally from India, currently living in Canada. With my family, I have three small kids. So this channel is all about parents for working mothers and mothers with small children. I just want to record some of my life moments so that some people can relate to and sometimes you may get some ideas. I used to watch a lot of YouTube channels when I had my small kids, and I find so many ideas shared by other mothers which are useful to me. So I would like to contribute from my own perspective too. So thank you for watching my channel, and if you do like this type of content, please consider subscribing and like and comment if you have any video ideas. I would like to do that for you. The whole cleaning took me around 1 hour, but I put at the speed duration, so you only seeing like 5 minutes of the whole cleaning video. Um, since it's been overdue, like an year, there were so many like food sticking on to like different corners, so it took me a while to clean that. But I'm really happy that it's done and it feels so clean, fresh, and neat, and fine, and feel like really organized too after I cleaned it up. The whole cleaning took me 2 days. The lower fridge part I done on one day, and the freezer part I did the second day. So after this, there was like, haven't you heard an advertisement about Kit Kat says have a break, have a Kit Kat? So I just remembered that when I was doing it. So this is day two of the cleaning and doing the freezer part the same way. Emptying the whole thing out here, it was really bad. And I washed out with the soap and water the glasses and wipe it and put it back and rearrange everything. Thanks again for watching. If you like this kind of videos, please consider subscribe. Thank you.